5 techniques for giving your relationship a fresh start. You're in love, but right now you're not in like with the other person. If you had to explain your relationship right now, you might be at something of a loss for words. Things aren't quite right, though you can't put your finger on why. If this sounds familiar, it might be time to give your relationship a fresh start. Now, before you panic, realize new beginnings happen all the time. This doesn't mean you don't love your significant other. It's a lot more possible things have fallen into such a routine they've stagnated a little bit and need waking up. So, how do you do this? Kiss longer. If you've fallen into the habit of a quick peck and love you on the way out the door, it's time to reconnect. This goes double for those of you who aren't kissing at all lately. The next time you're within reach of your lover, launch your fresh start with a real kiss. You know the kind. Kiss them as you mean it, and mean it. Package up the bad. Enlist your partner in letting go of the past. If you've been having struggles lately, sit down together and talk about what's been going on. At the end of the discussion, sit down and make a list of the things you've discussed. Make a ritual of burning this or otherwise destroying this list. When it's gone, so are the grudges. Stand by this. Make a no-grudge policy. In conjunction with the last tip, create a new rule in the relationship. Neither of you will let things slide anymore. If something comes up which bothers you, talk about it right away before it escalates. The same holds for them. Meet often. For that matter, why not add a relationship checkup at least once a week? Talk to each other about how you feel the relationship is going. But don't make this just a list of complaints. Add some fun to these meetings by using this time to talk about shared interests. Discuss the future. A fresh start ought to have a set destination in mind. What do you want to see happening in the next month? In the next year? In the next 5 years? Talk about the future together often. Set goals as a couple. Strive to reach these goals as a team. After all, this is your new beginning. You have an entire future ahead of you as a couple. This is your opportunity to make the most of it.